I'm gonna show you the paced bottle feeding technique for a breastfed baby. The whole idea here is that we wanna mimic the experience of feeding at the breast to help ease that transition from breast to bottle. So any caregiver that's taking care of babies should really be consistent with this technique. It's a really great way to make your pumped milk last longer when they are being left with another caretaker as well. So to position baby to start, you don't want to have them flat on their back. You want to have them tilted upright at a 45-degree angle, give or take, whatever's most comfortable for you and for baby. But baby should be tilted up. You're going to hold the bottle horizontally. Bottle goes sideways. And what you're going to want to do is encourage the baby to latch onto the bottle the same way they would latch onto the breast. So rather than just sticking it in their mouth, you're going to tickle the area between their nose and upper lip right here, and you're gonna wait for them to open up wide and latch onto the bottle. So I tickle, I wait for baby to open up their mouth. Once they latch on wide, I can bring the bottle in. Then I'm gonna look to see that they have a nice deep latch on the bottle. I wanna bring the bottle pretty far into their mouth. I wanna encourage the lips to flange so that they're not rolled under or tucked in like this. So it should look something like this. I tickle, baby opens, like that. So you really see that nice wide latch. So I've got baby latched on, bottle's horizontal, they're nice and deep latch on there. Now I'm gonna let baby drink for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'm going to bring the bottle down slightly, leaving the nipple in their mouth, and I'm gonna let them catch a little break. When they're ready to start sucking again, they will start to bring the bottle back into their mouth. I can bring it horizontally again. They can suck for another 20 to 30 seconds. Same thing, I drop it down slightly, keeping the nipple in their mouth, and I'm gonna go back and forth like that over the course of the feed. And this idea of paced bottle feeding, it should take them about as long to finish a bottle as they would at the breast. And it's okay if you do this and baby's no longer really interested in latching back on, sucking anymore. It means that they're full, it means that they're done. We wanna respect that and honor that. Even if there's a little bit of milk left in the bottle, baby's done with that feed and you can save that for next time. So, paced bottle feeding for the breastfed baby.